Question 25. A solid sample was heated from room temperature until it starts to melt. Which of the following statements best explains the shape of the graph at region P? So at region P, there is no increase in temperature, which means that the temperature stays constant. So this is occurring as the solid sample is heated until it starts to melt. It is melting. Then after that, it is a liquid. So let's check the statements. A chemical reaction is taking place. First of all, melting is not a chemical reaction. Melting is a physical change. And secondly, there is no information given in the graph or otherwise that a chemical reaction has taken place. So there's no indication at all. Hence, A is not a good explanation. What about B? Heat energy is used to separate the solid particles from their fixed positions. This makes sense because when a solid melts, its particles gain energy and overcome the forces of attraction that hold them in their fixed positions. So now they are in a more random arrangement and they can start sliding over each other. So this is why temperature remains constant during melting. So B is a correct explanation. What about C and D? C, the particles do not possess any energy. All right, this is wrong because particles always possess some kind of energy. No matter what the temperature or state they are in. Then finally, what about D? There was no further heating. This also is not a correct explanation because if there was no further heating, right, the temperature will start to return back to room temperature. We know this because eventually the heat from the substance will be lost to the environment and it will start to cool down until it returns to room temperature. So it does not make sense that the temperature would remain above room temperature if there was no further heating. Hence, D is incorrect. So the answer to this question is B.